Hello there guys, welcome to JNB channel. So guys, I'm going to recycle this plastic from Gardenia. So this is the Gardenia wrap, plastic wrap. I'm going to recycle this. Instead of throwing this away, I'm going to wrap it up with my laundry basket. And I'm going to use nylon thread to tie with this plastic. So as I'm doing this guys, please keep on watching. So now I'm cutting this plastic because it's too long, so I'm cut it into half before I will tie it on a laundry basket. The reason why I do this on my laundry basket is because it's too sharp on this area. It's too sharp, it can cut hands, so I will wrap it up with this plastic from Gardenia. Guys, there's no enough plastic from Gardenia already, and because I already thrown away all of this plastic, some of this plastic, so I am going to use this one. So in your house, if you do have some of this plastic bag, you can use this also to recycle your laundry basket. Okay, so I am going to design this in my laundry basket. Keep on watching. And what I'm doing now is to fill up this empty space here using this plastic bag. And I am using this nylon thread, fishing nylon thread, for tie up those plastic. Okay, keep on watching. I don't throw this plastic bag because this can clog drainage. So I reuse this for anything else, for something else, like for my laundry basket. why I cover this area here. It's because it's so sharp. As you can see, it's very sharp. So I cover this instead of throwing this away. So I use it. I recycle it for my covering of this laundry basket. So I have to collect more gardenia plastic wrapper to fill up all of these empty spaces. Okay, so for now guys, that's all for now, and I will fill up all of these empty spaces using this gardenia to come. Okay, so I will still buy more gardenia to fill up all of these empty spaces, and even plastic bags can use this also here. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my part 2 of this video. And thank you so much to all my channel members, and to those who will watch this video, thank you so much to all of you, and see you guys next on my part 2. Bye.